मैं रियाद में पहले 15 साल का था तब मैं
Wow, you've been in rehab.
I was 15 years old.
Yes.
So it was before I started acting. It's not unknown fact. People know about my family situation. They know that I'm a estranged child.
Yeah.
माँ नहीं थी, बाप मेरे साथ रहते नहीं थे, ख्याल नहीं रखते थे, तो वो ड्रग्स वर्क तो बहुत जल्दी से शुरू हुआ। It didn't really do well for my morale and my confidence. I slipped back into it again. मैंने ऐसे नहीं की, मैंने गलतियाँ नहीं की, मैंने भी खुद बहुत ज़्यादा गलतियाँ की। मेरी वजह से लोगों ने
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe there's something I should listen to. And the same goes for guys, huh?
Right.
It can be that I'm a girl and I'm dating a guy and he's trying to explain me something, but I'm telling him कि ऐसा नहीं है. And
Oh,
I'm
God.
I'm calling everybody. पूरा दुनिया सो रहा है.
Hi guys, this is Pratik Patil Babar
And this is Elia Brown.
and you're watching us on Shobhajit's YouTube channel.
गणपति बप्पा मोरया फैंटास्टिक। सो भाई एक गाना आया है तेरे दर पे सनम। मैंने गाना देखा, मैंने गाना सुना भी था बहुत पहले एंड अभी मैंने गाना देखा एंड वापस सुना। एंड दर पे सनम है लेकिन लोगों के दिमाग में डर बैठना चाहिए। whoever feels कि डांस जो है वो एक डिफिकल्ट टैलेंट है, उन लोग को डरना चाहिए एली एवराम के डांस स्टेप से, बिकॉज शी इज बीन एब्सोल्युटली स्लेयर इन दैट। एंड एक और चीज से डरना चाहिए, वो है प्रतीक बब्बर का जो फिजिक है, जो उन्होंने दिखाया है, धराधर आपने जो मारा है वहां पे लोगों को गिराया है, वो ये सब चीजों को लेके डर का माहौल भी बनना चाहिए। बट देन डर से लेके प्यार इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली रियली होप दैट इट गिव्स ऑल ऑफ यू ओवर हियर। बेइंतहा इज द शॉर्ट फिल्म, टिप्स में आ रहा है 13 सितंबर को एंड गाना जो है वो आ चुका है। एक बार जोर से बजाओ अपने लिए ताली फॉर द वंडरफुल सॉन्ग। क्या सुपर। And I want to talk about बहुत कुछ है गाने को लेके है, the stunning chemistry that you all have. But then what I really loved, and मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, I say it in a very positive way. Love the chemistry, love the way you kissed each other on screen and everything. It's not just about because वो conviction दिखना चाहिए, right? It's a modern day tale, right? दोनों में से अगर मैं पूछूं कि who considers to be himself or herself to be the better kisser, कौन मानेगा अपने आप को? You consider yourself to be the better kisser?
I mean, I don't know. Should we share the truth about how it's actually been shot?
बता दो।
It's all technical.
It's extremely technical.
Extremely technical, yeah.
लेकिन
So we cannot actually really answer that question because I think the touch just happened once.
But as an audience, if आपको अगर पसंद आ रही है तो लोगों को पसंद
So it's great.
Absolutely.
We're happy
Yeah,
that
yeah.
the people are enjoying the chemistry.
Yeah.
But like she said, it's extremely technical.
Yeah.
इतना technical
Very
होता है कि director बोल रहा है अच्छा नहीं अभी थोड़ा ना आप ऐसे ना हिलो मत वैसे
Yeah,
ना
this angle
आप
से, yeah.
आप थोड़ा ना
Yeah.
घूम जाओ थोड़ा right 40
Yes.
degrees घूम जाओ बस इस
Yes.
तरफ अभी ना अभी तुम्हारा मुंह थोड़ा उस तरफ ऊपर कर लो
So it's like
अच्छा, एली आप हिलो मत एली प्रदीप सिर्फ तुम प्रदीप ये
yes, it's like बहुत सारी चीजें जो टेक्निकल होते हैं,
Correct.
मतलब वो
It's-
रियल में नहीं होता है एक्चुअली, बस एक एंगल होता है
And you shoot it that way.
face and the way you're shooting it, जैसे प्रतीक ने कहा,
But I think-
so it's giving the final वो look
Absolutely.
जो
Yes, absolutely.
चाहिए,
Absolutely.
but yeah.
We will
I
take
think-
that for later.
Yes.
I think final product अगर इतना रियल लग रहा है
Yeah.
तो हमने
Real मतलब खतरनाक real.
हमने
Really?
कुछ तो सही किया है फिर
Wow. Yeah, I think we did well.
ठीक ठाक परफॉर्म किया हमने
The technicalities have been taken care of, but then I want to talk about your dance as well, which I told you about. Your dance introduction as well. Flexibility जो है, रबर का नाम चेंज करके एली एवराम कर देते मेरे हिसाब से. I think that is good. I know that you have trained professionally before in dance as well. So does that kind of help when you come and do all these
But I
songs as
was
well?
a figure skater.
Yeah.
Yes, वो dancing on the ice जो करते हैं, so there we dance and
Yeah.
and yeah, dance a little bit of
So
ballet
was
as
it
well,
easier for
so-
you to pick up the steps, like very easy, right?
I think so. Obviously, एक मेहनत भी होता है, but I think because of my background, then obviously it is easier to grab different type of dance styles. But yeah, it was quite tough while I was shooting this portion. because literally हमें I think it was around some 17 hours of shoot के बाद where I actually ended up getting to shoot that portion. So it was like सुबह 6 बजे or something. Like my body was actually exhausted by that time because we had completed all the other stuff that we had to complete and we had left that as the last thing before pack up. So I only had just 15 minutes.
It's like saving the best for the last.
Literally. But you know, even though it was the last time we shoot, we were all sleepless and hot tub.
Yeah.
She absolutely
It's crazy.
slayed. She looks like a professional. I mean, obviously, with all the years of training, she looks like a professional, but it's
It's
just
crazy.
it's
I
amazing.
just took Bhagwan ka naam. And,
भगवान का नाम लेके
yeah.
even the unimaginable and the unthinkable can be kind of turned into
Seriously, मैं वो मानती हूँ.
Yeah.
अब बस भगवान का नाम ले लो and believe that you're getting the strength and the power and just perform. और सच में वही हुआ है because it was like we really had to like wrap up and I was like okay, I literally just got this one take now. I have to just do it
क्या बात है.
properly. So
We're going to talk about the feedbacks as well because I'm sure मैंने YouTube में comments देखा and of course a lot of people are loving your action as well. Of course you are kind of saying कि वो जो आपका fitness routine था वो थोड़ा बहुत hit हुआ है because of your health issues. But touch wood, you will recover very soon. But उस टाइम पे जब था, of course your physique is looking bang on point, right? It takes a lot of hard work.
Thank you for saying that, brother. But I have to break it to you that it wasn't bang on point.
That's what you feel, right?
नहीं यार मुझे
it
shooting
looks amazing.
shooting रुकनी पड़ी. We were actually, let me give you a nutshell में बताता हूँ आपको. Shooting December 2022 में होने वाली थी.
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत बुरी बैक इंजरी हो गई mid December. In fact, just about release of lockdown and success bash lockdown की success bash के बाद मुझे बहुत बुरी बैक इंजरी हो गई. And we were supposed to shoot end of December 2022. Shoot got pushed by a few months. So the directors called me and Kumarji called me. Are you okay? Are you good to shoot? So I wasn't good to shoot for 3.5 months. So 3.5 महीने मैंने सिर्फ फिजियोथेरेपी और रिहैब किया. मैं वेट ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर पाया, एक्शन ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर पाया. And अगर if I had a choice, I would push it by more to allow my back more time. लेकिन Kumarji के पास वक्त नहीं था. Everyone was running out of time and they had to finish shooting film. So I shot with a broken back. And coming back to her dance story, I remember हम पूरी रात शूट कर रहे थे और मेरी बैक टूटी हुई थी और I remember saying bye to Ellie with a broken back. Ellie, see you, good luck.
Yeah, you were quite a mess. I remember
I was
that
a mess,
as well.
yeah.
Yes.
तो फिर मैंने बैक थोड़ी बहुत मैंने स्ट्रेंथनिंग की और मार्च में हमने शूटिंग की. मुझे परमिशन नहीं थी शूट करने की. मेरे डॉक्टर्स ने बोले मत शूट करो, आपको रिलैप्स हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा मुझे चॉइस नहीं करना पड़ेगा और वही हुआ. मैंने एक्शन सीन्स करते हुए कुछ नहीं हुआ. खत्म होते ही रिलैप्स हुआ. तो थैंक गॉड एक्शन सीन्स तो मतलब
बच गए.
निकल गए. हाँ.
Yeah. I think what happens is it's like most of the actors really go through a lot of this like the physical pressure and it's like we said, there's so much of technique around each and every scene, each and every move, so which ends up making it look like what we have to obviously achieve. But जो बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है वो है कि वो मेहनत जो होता है ना, मतलब actors लोगों का behind the scene, but all you go
behind
through,
all the glamour and
exactly. It's not कि मतलब हम ऐसी glamorous है रोज, it's like you need to take care of injuries, old injuries that comes up. You need to really look after your physique and your health. If you fall sick, but the shoot has to go on, so you have to have dawai वगैरह, and continue. Like there's so many things which I think most of the time is not really conveyed. And this I'm seeing because I know there are so many people who dream about becoming actors, right?
Yes.
But वो कभी ये नहीं सोचते कि कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है, उसके पीछे.
And
So
that
this
too
is
the
purely
consistency.
the consistency. So this is pure passion, जैसे प्रतीक ने कहा, for example, like how he didn't have an option. Option तो था उसके पास. वो मना कर सकते थे कि चलो मैं ये प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करूँगा, मैं करूँगा फिर, you know. But उनको करना था क्योंकि उनका वो एक passion है जो सबके अंदर है, right? So इसलिए it's very important to also convey that for all the youngsters who dream about becoming an actor, that it is a lot of merit. It is not just वो जो आप स्क्रीन पे देखते हो, वो glamour factor ये सब वगैरह, कि it looks like we are living the life,
in paradise. ऐसा नहीं है भाई, हकीकत कुछ और ही होता है.
ऐसा नहीं है. In fact, और एक चीज आपको याद है, ये गाने के अंदर when we shot वो when we are sitting on the bike and all, that was the day when I had come with all those marks. Maybe you don't remember. I had marks because the night before, in the middle of the night, I have got a big allergy breakout. So 3
You had
a.m.
makeup, so we
Yeah, I had makeup. Sorry, director will remember because I freaked out and I told him this. I told Arif this in the middle of the night. Suddenly, I'm thinking, "ये मेरा last दिन है." I'm literally thinking I'm going to die. It's crazy. Okay, I even have photos of it. Something I took which gave me such a allergy that मेरा पूरा लाल हो गए, full body,
Oh my God.
and full. I was like scratching because it was itching, and I was losing my breath. And
Oh
I'm
God.
I'm calling everybody. पूरा दुनिया सो रहा है. और मैं बहुत दूर रहती हूँ. I don't live like inside the city. ठीक है, don't say where I live. Don't say where I live. I don't like to
अलग
say
country
where I
बोलो.
live. But yeah,
Country अलग है.
okay. And
Visa लगता
and so I was like, अब क्या होगा मेरा, and I'm like, and सुबह भी shooting है, I cannot like message and cancel, so मेरा बहुत tension भी चल रहा है. Then by God's grace, finally my mother is picking up the phone at least. Yeah, my mother, but my mother in Sweden,
वो कहाँ से
picking
आएगी?
up,
क्यों भाई?
So I'm telling her what I am going through and all of that. Then she immediately
Was it food
googled up. No, it was allergy actually from I think from the crocin which I had taken.
Oh my God.
Yeah, because you can get allergy.
From tablets
Side
also.
effects.
Yeah. So that's why I was so like this ki ho kya raha hai. And I think maybe that one, because I asked my other doctor and probably that one would have expired or something maybe. So the solution is to just pop an Allegra. And so my mom told me that. So luckily I had an Allegra घर के अंदर. मैंने वो ले लिया and I was praying to God again कि please make me wake up where all of this being removed. If I show you the photo right now, you'll get a heart attack.
My goodness.
It was all red. My legs was all red, sab lal, and it was all like ऐसी जैसी like the skin was not ऐसी. It was like I don't know how to describe it, but I freaked out. I literally took like salt, namak shower also. I'm like ये कौन सा नजर है?
Oh my God.
बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला नीला हरा हर कलर.
सब कुछ हनुमान चालीसा.
Oh my God.
So cute. But
everything. But I woke up, everything calm, but I had all like blue, purple marks. Because
वो
from
भी
the
makeup में
scratch
फिर
and all.
eventually balance
हाँ,
होता है.
but I saw in the song, I'm like, दिखता नहीं है. बहुत मस्त लग रहा है मेरा skin.
बहुत अच्छा
So I guess
makeup man है.
makeup ने अच्छा काम किया है.
भगवान ने बचा लिया, मम्मी ने बचा लिया, मेकअप मैन ने बचा लिया, वरना मम्मी अगर वो सजेशन नहीं देती फिर दवाई वाले को फोन
फिर मैं
करके दवाई
मर
वाले
जाती
को
थी
फोन करता.
because मेरा सांस, suddenly the breath was going heavy
Yeah.
and I was feeling dizzy and I was like, भगवान ये मेरा लास्ट दिन है, मैं ऐसे मरने वाली हूँ.
नहीं आपको ये फिल्म शूटिंग कंप्लीट करनी थी.
It was crazy. I'm just remembering.
नहीं, don't get into that negative zone. We are
नहीं,
celebrating
not
the good
negative.
stuff.
I'm very grateful.
हाँ,
Yeah,
वही एकदम
it's
सब कुछ
amazing.
अच्छा हो गया. अभी 13 को आने भी वाला है.
सब
Let's talk
अच्छा
about all the good
By
stuff.
God's grace.
बिल्कुल
That's
बिल्कुल,
what-
बिल्कुल.
But ये जो fighting spirit है और ये जो never giving up है, उसके भी साथ ये हुआ. She panicked, of course, but she
Yes.
somehow figured out something for herself, right?
Yes.
Yours as well.
Yes.
You had that back issue,
Yes.
and kind of waved it. But ये जो fighting spirit है आपका,
Yes.
this is not something new, right? This is something that all of us we have observed over the years as well. You know that there was a time when you were down and out, and unfortunately you had to kind of really go through a lot of hustle to make
Sure.
that comeback, right?
Sure.
Rehab and everything, and it was so inspiring.
But brother, I must mention this, and I just want to touch it very briefly. ये professional setback था. पर्सनल सेटबैक्स मेरे बहुत पहले से शुरू हुए. I in terms of so this was like you said, you know, I had to fight for my place and fight my own battles against myself. This was also just happening. I just want to quickly touch on this.
Yeah.
This was happening way before I joined the film industry. मैं रिहाब में पहले 15 साल का था तब मैं.
Wow, you've been in rehab.
I was 15 years old.
Yes.
So it was before I started acting. So it was.
Wow.
So it was. तो वो फिर.
That was also because of substance or something else.
Yes. So it was.
Wow.
I mean, it's not an unknown fact. People know about my family situation. They know that I'm a estranged child.
Yeah.
माँ नहीं थी, बाप मेरे साथ रहते नहीं थे, ख्याल नहीं रखते थे. तो वो ड्रग्स वर्क तो बहुत जल्दी से शुरू हुआ. तो 15 साल में मैं रिहाब था पहले. फिर मैं 18 साल में गया रिहाब. तो 3-4 बार ऑलरेडी एक्टिंग शुरू करने से पहले 3-4 बार रिहाब जा चुका था. तो फिर एक्टिंग हुई, फिर वो अलग हुई, कहानी शुरू हुई वापस. And then films didn't work. It didn't really do well for my morale and my confidence. I slipped back into it again. But वो जानना लोगों को बहुत जरूरी है. ऐसे नहीं कि यार ये इसने एक्टिंग की और उसको बहुत कमाया, उसने पैसे कमाया, फेम कमाया, उसकी वजह से सर पे चढ़ गया, उसने ड्रग्स किए. नहीं, बचपन से शुरू.
But
मेरा बचपन से
were you upset with the way people around you reacted to it? Because सबको आपके पास्ट के बारे में पता था. There's a certain sense of sensitivity that perhaps could have been shown to your case, right? But सबने एक बहुत ही judgmental तरीके से everybody almost pounced on you in terms of judgment, right? Were you upset? And
that's okay. It's okay. देखिए, I feel like everyone has their unique journeys. सबके अलग-अलग unique journey. तेरी अलग है, मेरी अलग है, इनकी अलग है. यहाँ सबके जो बैठे हैं, सब अलग-अलग journey है. अपना रास्ता लिखा होता है और हम लोग समझ जाते हैं क्या रास्ता है, किस तरीके से अच्छी इंसान की तरह जीना. So I took it with a pinch of salt. और मैंने ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने गलतियां नहीं की, मैंने भी खुद बहुत ज्यादा गलतियां की. मेरी वजह से लोगों ने, ऐसे नहीं कि भाई मैं ऐसे ही था तो लोग आए, ऐसी मतलब कोई रीजन नहीं था, बस आए और चढ़ गए. नहीं, मैंने बहुत रीजन दिए. मैं बहुत बदतमीज था यार. मैं बहुत बदतमीज था मेरे पूरे जिंदगी में. मैंने बहुत फॉर ग्रांटेड लिया, मेरा करियर बहुत फॉर ग्रांटेड लिया, पैसे ग्रांटेड लिए, करियर ग्रांटेड लिए, दोस्त यार, फैमिली. तो मैंने बहुत गलतियां की है. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ लोग आए मेरे ऊपर चढ़ गए, मैंने रीजन दिया. लेकिन अब जान गए सब. Now I've understood everything. I've realized my mistakes, and we all do. Growing up, we all do. Living our life, we all make mistakes. और जिनको समझ आता है, जिन लोगों को समझ आता है कि यार ये बहुत गलत किया है, भाई ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Acknowledgement is the key.
Absolutely, you have to realize and accept your mistakes to move forward and become a better version of you.
हाँ, मतलब वो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि मुझे
I
लगता है
always
कि
believe.
सबका एक वक्त होता है जब वो रियलाइजेशन होता है, और वो लोग बहुत लकी है जिसका वक्त बहुत जल्दी आता है लाइफ में.
Yeah.
कुछ लोगों का है जो मतलब 50+ भी है और अभी भी नहीं समझ जाते. मतलब कुछ लोग भी है जो मतलब बहुत ओल्ड है, लाइक समटाइम्स लाइक लाइक ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, जो मतलब मरने से पहले सडनली दे स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज गलतियां. वो मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है.
Yeah, absolutely.
हाँ.
I think we're very lucky people who क्योंकि फिर वो ना आप दूसरा चांस मांग सकते हो.
जिंदगी में
जिंदगी में
time
दूसरा
is-
चांस मांग सकते हो, अपने प्रोफेशन में, अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में, अपने भगवान से, है ना.
आपने वो करके दिखाया भी.
जी,
I always believe that
कोशिश जारी है यार.
Comeback is always stronger and better than the setback, right?
Absolutely.
Setback के बाद अब जिस तरीके से you kind of revive yourself, that
Yes.
is, I believe, the true display of resilience and morale. वो आपने
Yes.
किया है. Touch wood, I hope that आप आगे करते भी रहो.
बिल्कुल कोशिश जारी है.
You know?
Never-
ब्यूटीफुल यार.
never
ये
ending.
सारे मुझे सुनना है, अब मुझे नहीं
Right?
पता था ये सब.
Of course, yeah.
नहीं.
Pratik and I will do a long format podcast. आपको मैं वो link भेजूंगा.
हाँ,
We'll have
seriously.
a detailed conversation.
Yes,
We
yes.
must,
करना
we
चाहिए.
must, बिल्कुल
Please,
जाना.
I think we
because
should
I
do
would love to hear all of this actually.
Absolutely.
But now coming back to the song, because वो लोग already इशारा कर रहे हैं कि जल्दी
नहीं, yes. In a nutshell, हम सब फाइटर है, ठीक है, और फाइट करना पड़ता है, ठीक है. जैसे मैंने इस फिल्म में फाइट किया है, एली ने अपने प्यार, हम दोनों ने हमारे प्यार के लिए फाइट करते हैं. इस जिंदगी में नहीं, सॉरी, इस फिल्म में. इस जिंदगी में भी हम सब,
जिंदगी में मेरा कोई प्यार नहीं है.
he's got touch wood. 4 साल हो गए
touch wood. और वो भी मेरी अच्छी दोस्त है.
बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं.
Yes.
In fact, Ellie is
He's lucky to have Priya. She's a very good girl, and yes, and you, I guess
So अगर
you
कुछ-
have now, ये जो आपने बोला ना कि now you've changed, so I think इसलिए
Credit
Priya आई
to you.
आपकी
So
जिंदगी में.
एक चीज होता है, कभी कभी मैं जब अगर कुछ ये करता हूँ, so दोस्तों का क्या होता है कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ मेरी दोस्त लोग जो है वो गैंग अप हो जाते हैं मेरे अगेंस्ट.
हाँ.
यार ठीक है, हंसती मतलब मस्ती
हाँ.
मजाक में. तो ऐसा होता है when you have done something and then Priya के that she also ganged up कि नहीं.
अभी हुआ ना, अभी कुछ तो हुआ बीच में. Something she was like, अरे कुछ तो song भेज.
There was just something where it was like he was just being like a typical guy, not understanding, and
Typical
basically,
guy.
and it was just,
Yeah,
it
but
was just,
typical guy.
and it was just नहीं, what happened was
Yeah.
Priya had told him something,
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
फिर मेरा कॉल आया था. I suddenly spoke to Priya, and she was like, Ellie, wait a minute, can you just say that again? I'm just putting on speaker. She was like, you heard that, Pratik? She said the same thing that I said.
Yeah.
So वही था.
और फिर वो मेजोरिटी हो जाता है, फिर आप चुपचाप समझ जाते हो कि भाई भला इसी में कि अब you take a back seat
हाँ.
and let the ladies win.
But I think नहीं, but
समझे या ना समझे, let the ladies win.
No, नहीं, but बात तो ये है.
समझना जरूरी नहीं है.
Actually,
बस हाँ बोल रहा हूँ.
नहीं, क्या होता है ना, बहुत बार मैंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया है रिलेशनशिप्स के अंदर. क्या होता है, बहुत बार ऐसा है कि समझो आपका गर्लफ्रेंड है या बीवी है, और शी विल एक्सप्रेस समथिंग नाउ फ्रॉम अ वुमेन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, ठीक है. तो आप मतलब बोलेंगे अरे नहीं यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सडनली यू विल हियर इट फ्रॉम अ थर्ड पर्सन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जो भी एक वुमेन है, जो भी एक औरत है,
Neutral
and
person.
suddenly I am saying the same thing. So you suddenly then start to look at things like, oh, wait a minute, maybe there's something I should listen to. And the same goes for guys, huh?
Right.
It can be that I'm a girl and I'm dating a guy and he's trying to explain me something, but I'm telling him कि ऐसा नहीं है. Suddenly उसका दोस्त जो है वो भी मुझे explain करेंगे in the same point of view.
Right.
You know, then it allows me to be like, oh,
But it's
okay, so it's not just my guy. So it suddenly, yeah, it suddenly gives you a perspective you as a woman don't think about, because we are women.
Right.
How can we know, right? So it's again a space of women and men, and you know how we just look at things in life. We look at things very differently.
Absolutely.
We express very differently. We talk very differently. So if you're just open to that, then you know things.
I
will
think it's
just
only about being open to perspectives and then आप
open to
समझोगे.
perspectives.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That is the way to
Open
go
to
forward.
perspectives,
Yeah.
have a conversation, have a
Yes.
healthy debate.
Yes.
And then-
कोई नहीं है, and
Yeah.
we can agree to disagree, बिल्कुल है, and we can also
Exactly.
ऐसे नहीं कि हम अच्छे हैं, आप बुरे हो या आप बुरे, हम
हाँ, जरूरत
हम
नहीं
सब
है
same
to
है.
agree.
सब हमें थोड़ी अक्ल थोड़ी कम है.
ये
समझना नहीं पड़ता, हमको समझना पड़ता है थोड़ा सा, बस
It's
वही.
like मतभेद हो जाए but मनभेद ना हो. That is what it is. 13 सितंबर को जब ये शॉर्ट फिल्म आने वाला है, बेइंतहा it is. That's what it is, right? बेइंतहा.
Musical short film being
Musical short film बेइंतहा. You will definitely fall in love with the project. गाना तो देखा ही है, केमिस्ट्री भी धमाकेदार है. एंड जिन लोग को भी किसिंग सीन से लेके बहुत कुछ किसिंग टेक्निक सीखना है, आप लोग समझ जाओ कि बहुत टेक्निक होता है ऑफ कैमरा, ऑन द कैमरा as well to kind of understand that. But more than that, jokes about, brilliant work done, and I wish you all the best for everything that you do in the future.
Thank you.
Thank
Keep slaying in all the projects, music videos, TV, OTT, कुछ भी हो, धमाकेदार हो, बस अच्छा होता है. That is what it is.
Same to you.
Thank you so much, brother. All the best. And you know, we have a gift for the lady. मेरे पास एक छोटा सा तोहफा है. It is actually matching with ये, so मेरे gifting partner है.
अरे वाह,
Hey,
Oh,
Nivas, so
wow.
this is something that you will love. It's a special kurti.
that's so sweet.
So you know.
Oh, I love kurtis.
हाँ, so मुझे पता था कि आपको पसंद आएगा. And it will look, it's a color that I feel will look good on you, because आप देख लो अगर आपको पसंद आए कि नहीं. Hopefully नहीं आएगा तो वापस भेज देंगे.
Oh, yes, this color will look very nice
है ना?
on me.
Yeah, yeah.
It's नवरात्रि आने वाला है ना?
पहनो, जहाँ पे भी पहनना है
It's very
पहनो.
like that.
जितने चाहिए मंगाओ, मैं भेजने का जिम्मेदारी मेरा. ठीक है, but thank you so much guys. Both have been very kind. Lots of love. Thank you so much Ali, and I loved every bit of it. And Pratik bhai, बैठ जाओ, I need to give the closing
Oh, of
statement.
course. Sorry.
So guys, that's a wrap on the Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only duo of Pratik and Ali Abram. And thank you so much. And please do watch the short film on 13th of September only on the official YouTube channel of Tips. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you.